Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use a Vizio subwoofer without the soundbar in 2026. So before hopping on how you can do it, let's just briefly understand why it doesn't work normally. The Vizio subwoofers are made to connect wirelessly and exclusively to their paired soundbar. They don't have the aux input, Bluetooth pairing for the phone, or standard receiver compatibility. So by default, you can't just connect it like a regular subwoofer. If you still have the original soundbar, that's your best option. So you need to pair the subwoofer back using the pair button and use the full system. And this is the only way to get the proper bass performance without any limitations. Now, some of the Vizio subwoofers can pair with compatible models from the same series, but this isn't guaranteed because compatibility depends on the model numbers and the firmware. Technically, you could try modifying the system intentionally or using the signal converters, but this requires hardware modifications and technical knowledge, and it is not practical for most of the people. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.